car. We're both heading to the dentist for different reasons. You're getting new trays, right? He's getting new Invisalign adjacent trays. And then I'm getting Botox in my jaw, which I've discussed with y'all in a different video. So, and then I think I'm gonna get just the smidge right here while they're at it, because that's the only spot I've ever really considered getting it cosmetically anyway. So that is what we're up to this lovely Monday morning. Well, I guess it's not really morning, like mid-morning, nearly afternoon. And we'll see how it goes. I'll have to share the results and how things settle after a few days and if it feels more relaxed. Hey, oh, hey! So we're leaving the dentist office, or the doctor's office. I guess I'm a little red. I don't think I'm that red though. And I don't particularly feel anything yet, but it is all done. And apparently in the next few days, I'll start to see results or feel results. And until then, for the next 5 hours, I'm not supposed to like really touch my face or smush it around. So I can't like wash my face or put on makeup or anything like that. I'm not supposed to do anything strenuous. So that is that, which is fine because I didn't have anything planned today anyway. So I'll check in when I notice anything. So it is 10 o'clock. I'm about to go to bed, but I just wanted to touch base to go over how things are looking. I don't really see any little spots from injections along my jawline. There are a few little spots up here. I don't anticipate my forehead looking much different because I didn't need Botox for forehead wrinkles anyway. My forehead was in really good shape, but they did have to go along here and along here, I guess because some nerve runs along there, and I actually did request a little right here for that wrinkle, so it has plumped out a little, not a lot. I think that honestly is the only spot where we're going to actually see any visible change over the next few days, so that's probably the one spot we'll want to pay attention to, because I don't think any of these other injections are going to have any sort of physical change. I mean, if you had a wrinkly forehead, I guess the other ones would, but my forehead's always been fairly smooth, so I don't think I'm going to see anything from those ones. So we'll see how it goes. I'll check in again tomorrow. Good morning, it's Tuesday. I am doing some errands, not errands, chores. Why does this not want to focus on me? Focus on me. Anyway, I'm doing chores around the house. I have vacuumed, I've emptied the dishwasher. I've got laundry going, as you can probably hear the dryer. And I'm having a work on the couch in my underwear kind of day because that's just what I need today. I don't know why I'm out of it, but we're gonna do a load of towels. Throw some towels in to get washed. Yeah, I just got off the phone with Grandma. I had a nice long conversation with her. I haven't talked to her in a while, and usually if there's no people around, no one interrupting, we could talk forever. So that was really nice. Just getting some nice uninterrupted time with my grandma, catching up on things. I haven't talked to her in a while, so that was pretty nice. I hope this dryer isn't too loud in this video, but I guess we will see. Got the laundry going. Let's see. And I'm having a nice relaxing work day. I don't have any meetings or calls, so I can take this time to just work peacefully on the couch. Yeah, let me mute this video. But yeah, it has been a nice relaxing morning. I had my coffee slowly and everything, but I wanted to do a Botox update. So visually I still don't see a whole lot of a difference. I guess this is slowly plumping out some. You could still see the line. You can still do that with my eyebrows, but otherwise I wasn't expecting a big difference in my jaw or anything. So I guess my brows do seem a little lower than normal, but I don't know. You guys tell me, do you see any difference? I still have these little red dots from the injection points, but aside from that, and it's only here. I don't have the dots anywhere else. I don't see them on my cheeks. I don't see them at the top of my head, so it's just there. And I don't know if those will go away after I wash my face, because I haven't washed my face yet, because they said not to squish your face around for 5 hours. So I'm going a little overboard. That way the product soaks into the muscle it's meant to go in, but I don't know. I'll definitely wash my face at some point today, because I'm supposed to go to an event tonight. I'll have to cover those little dots if they don't go away, but yeah, that is what I'm up to today. And I'm ready for it. I'm ready for a couch day. I've not had a couch day in months. Probably closer to like going on a year I haven't had a couch day, so I'm very much looking forward to it. Hello, happy Tuesday. I am going out to the theater tonight. Going down to the Hippodrome to see Ain't Too Proud. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm wearing my Zimmerman dress tonight. Thought it would be a pretty little dress to wear to the theater. Got my Stella bag. I'm gonna wear my Dolce Vita heels. I just have my toenails drying at the moment, so I don't want to like shove them in the shoe, but this is the outfit of the evening. Something a little fun, something a little spunky. It's actually kind of hot today. Not like super hot, but it's in the 70s, which it has not been, and I'm sweaty. So hopefully it's a little cooler in the theater, because I'm a little warm right now. Good morning, it's Wednesday morning. I'm hanging up some clothes that I didn't hang up yesterday when I put away clean clothes. But I wanted to talk to you guys about yesterday. Obviously, I couldn't take a lot of clips at Ain't Too Proud at the Hippodrome because, one, the reception was a work event, and two, obviously you can't film the live production. So, but I wanted to tell you guys, that show is amazing. If it hasn't come to your town yet, but it's like slated to, you have to go see it because this cast is amazing. The show was just wonderful, like so good. I can't even tell you how good it was. Like, it was just so good. So you guys have to go see that if it hasn't made its way to your town already, because oh my god, it was just wonderful. Such a good night, such a great show. I mean, obviously everyone knows like a ton of Temptations songs. I mean, I'm assuming there, but I feel like most people, without even realizing it, know Temptations songs. But the story, like the backstory and their history, is also very interesting. So definitely a must-see show in my opinion. Wish I could have showed you guys more that was going on that day, but I am not comfortable taking out a camera around a bunch of like work partners and stuff. So yeah, wasn't gonna do that. Today, I don't think I have much on the docket, just work and work. So probably won't be many clips from today. I'm trying to learn from last week's vlog, which I'm actually uploading right now, to not have so many clips of me just talking about what I want to do or what I'm gonna do or what the plan is, and to just show stuff when I'm actually doing things. So hopefully this one is less chaotic. It might be less interesting, I don't know, but hopefully it's a little shorter for sure. So that's the plan. I did wear my cute Zimmerman dress last night. I think I got a clip of that. That dress got so many compliments. I think I got 6 or 7 compliments from like people I knew and strangers. So that was awesome. That felt real good. I'm like, okay, wasn't a waste of money to spend a boatload of money on that dress. But yeah, Very exciting. So I'm gonna keep hanging up clothes for my crazy lumpy ponytail, and I will check back in with you guys when there's actually something to share, and I'll see if this is still available online. I don't know if it is or not, but if it is, I'll link it because it's so bright and obnoxious. I feel like a traffic cone. Anyway, check in with y'all later. Trying to get better at remembering I can film with my phone if I don't have my camera around. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys this cocktail I just made. I just sort of threw it together with stuff I like, so I don't have measurements mostly, but it's delicious. So let me show it to you. Okay, so I put a little ice in a wine cup, and then I emptied a full one of the small bottles of tonic. You know what I mean, the little squatty ones. And it was pink grapefruit tonic. I put the whole thing in here, and then I added, I don't know, decent amount of Aperol. And then I put a splash of mezcal, and that was delicious on its own. But I have all these little syrups and spray oils and what are they called? Bitters from the, what's it called? Shaker and spoon. No, yeah, shaker and spoon box. So I went through my little stash and I added lemon bitters, and I spritzed orange oil on top, and it is delicious. It's so good. I'm making one of our purple carrot dinners right now, which I need to also film for. So I'm enjoying a nice little cocktail this evening. Hey y'all, good morning. It is Thursday morning, Cinco de Mayo. I might end up going around the corner to a Mexican style spot. We'll see. But I wanted to check in with my face and the Botox. I don't feel different. I don't know. I guess I'm not clenching quite as hard, but I still kind of feel the same jaw soreness I'm used to feeling. It's only been a few days. The doctor did say it could take several days. I think they said up to 10 for everything to set in. My forehead feels different. Like, to me, I could feel that it's different. I could feel that it's tighter, but I could still do most of everything. Actually, I can't move this eyebrow quite as much as I used to be able to. Yeah, some of the movement in this one's different. And I still can kind of see where this little spot is. I didn't have an 11. I only had a 1. But I could still make it. I could still kind of see it, but it's not quite as dramatic. Like, I could see it has plumped out a little bit. So there's the update on that. I haven't had terrible jaw pain or headaches, so there's that. But I also don't have it all the time. Well, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. It's hard to explain. But that's the update on that. Hey, y'all. I am probably going to go out for some margaritas. A little Cinco de Mayo celebration. Which I really don't ever do. But the place around the corner from me happens to be having a good deal. So I'm like, yeah, I guess I could have a drink. Here's what I'm wearing. I've got the same white pants I had on the other day when I went to the movies. Just some little nude heels because these pants really need heels. And I've got this top, and I'm a little self-conscious. So it's a different tank top and top. They're separate, but there's nowhere to hide in the shirt this year. You will see all the lumps and bumps, which is kind of scary. But I wanted to wear something colorful and fun. So that is what I'm wearing. I don't know what brand this is off the top of my head. I got it on Poshmark a while back. So that's the outfit. I'll probably record a little more when we're having our margaritas. I added a headband. I felt like my head looked really flat. So we were able to grab a couple of seats at the bar. We got a giant pitcher of margaritas to share, and they brought us some complimentary chips and salsa, which are always welcome in my book. We both ordered 4 tacos, which ended up being too many, but you always think you need more when you're eating those damn chips, and then the chips fill you up. I had the bean tacos that is vegan cheese on mine, and I think she had chorizo. I don't know. My friend's not vegan, but These were bean and avocado, actually. And then here we are just being like semi-drunk and goofy. They were playing fun music. Good morning, world. Happy Friday. That's what I'm wearing at the moment today. I've just got a little black t-shirt and my skirt. Just got comfy to move around in. So I'm gonna get some breakfast before a meeting. Right now our grand debate is, do we go see Multiverse of Madness before his mom and grandma get here, or do we not? So that is what we're up to today. Hey y'all, this week's vlog is gonna be very boring, I guess. Actually it's Monday, so I'm sort of ending last week's vlog right now. A lot of stuff happened over the weekend and I just forgot to film all of it because it's still not really ingrained in my mind, grab the camera, film things. But what happened this week? I'm sure you hear lots of fussing in the background. Austin's mom and grandma are here and they're very loud. The house gets very loud when they're here. But so I dyed my hair pink. I was at the salon for like 8 hours. We had to bleach twice, tone, dyed it. I'm gonna have to go back and dye it again because my hair was just like over it. So the bottom is a little more sherbety than cotton candy. It's a lot more cotton candy on top, but I mean it still looks really good, so that's fun. And then we did Mother's Day stuff yesterday, Mother's Day festivities, so lots of hanging out at my brother's house. We made a huge berry crumble. Everyone loved it, so that made me feel like really good. And potato salad, and I love potato salad. And it's really easy to make vegan, at least the way we make it, so maybe I'll throw that in a video sometime soon. Let me know if you want to have potato salad. And yeah, I don't know how much there will be to film for a vlog today or this week since Austin's mom and grandma are here. I don't know if I want to film a ton of stuff with them around, just because it's like the house is way louder when they're here. I don't know what that means, but it is louder. But we'll see. I guess we'll see if there's another vlog. I don't even know if I'm going to put this one up. I feel like I did nothing this week. I don't know. But I did get pink hair. Oh, and the other thing I wanted to talk about was updating on the Botox. So I don't know if it's really made a big difference in my jaw just yet. I think that's going to be a long-term thing I have to determine. But the physical effects have really taken place in my forehead. This is as much as it moves. I can't move it more than this. Same with here. I can't. It's going, like, it does not move, which is crazy to me. I feel like I look like some robot or something. It's so weird. But that has finally settled in, and this is puffed out, which is nice. It's just a matter of, will my jaw discomfort alleviate? And I think I'm gonna have to let that one play out. So I'll definitely update you guys as things go on. I'm just sitting on the floor in my closet for no reason. I just thought maybe because this is kind of like a little alcove, it might block some of the sound. But yeah, this will be the end of my second vlog. We'll see how my third vlog goes, if I even film anything. I don't know.